Hello, today I want to show you how we can configure DHCP in your network. So we are going to configure this router as a DHCP server so that it will lease IP address directly to these two clients, client 1 and client 2. So manually, you normally assign IP address manually using static, but in this scenario, we are going to use dynamic host configuration protocol. We are going to click on DHCP so that this PC can be able to request IP address from the server, which is the DHCP server. So our router will act as a DHCP server. So any device which has been configured to lease out IP address, we can call it DHCP server. So without much, let me click on the router, go to command line interface. Then I'm going to go to straight assign IP address. So we type in no, enable, config T, host name, that's the name of the router. I'm going to type R1. Interface is gig 0/0/0. That's the interface which is connecting the switch. So this is the interface, gig 0/0/0. Enter. IP address, I'm going to type 10.1.1.1, which is this one. /24 is 255.255.255.0. Then no shutdown to activate. Yeah, then exit. So I'm done assigning IP address. I can verify. Do show IP interface brief. Yeah, so you can now be able to see gig 00 has been assigned IP address of 10.1.1. Status is okay. Everything is well. So the next thing that we are going to do is to configure DHCP. So IP DHCP pool LAN. So let's first, before we configure DHCP, let's see if it can obtain IP address. So we click on the PC, desktop, IP configuration DHCP. So let's see, it's now requesting the IP address. So it's trying to get the DHCP server. So already it has failed because there is no DHCP server on the network. That's why you see DHCP failed. So now let's now configure. So you'll type IP DHCP pool LAN, enter. You type the network, which we are 10.1.1.0, followed by the subnet, then default router. So default router is this IP 10.1.1.1. So 10.1.1.1. DNS server, we put just IP for Google 88. Then IP DHCP excluded address. We are going to only exclude this IP address done for the router. But in case you want to exclude range, you can exclude maybe from 1.1. You can exclude from 1 IP address from 1 up to 9. So meaning this client 1 will pick IP address from 10. But in this case, we are going only to exclude only one IP. So that is okay. Enter. Okay, excluded here. So I forgot to type D. Then now you save. Then exit. So now we are done with that. We can now verify show run. Begin. Show run, you put that pipe, begin. So remember, depending on your keyboard, this pipe is just up. You can check the enter on your keyboard. So there is a key up there. So with backslash. So that's a call pipe. So show run, begin DHCP. So we want to show all configuration, but we want to begin with DHCP. So now you can be able to see our DHCP server is this one. And the IP addresses, the IP address of interface 00 is that. So now let's try. You click on PC, desktop, configuration, then you click on DHCP. So you see it has obtained IP address of 10.1.1.2, same subnet mask, gateway. And so it means that all this, whatever we are doing right now, this one, let me just show you. So all these settings that we have been doing, this PC has already obtained all the IP address. So this is the router. This is the router. So this was the DHCP that we configured. The network was this one. So it pick IP address from that network, which is 2. Subnet is this one, which is subnet mask. Default router is this. So this default router 10.1.1. DNS is this one. So that is okay. We try and do this again. Desktop IP configuration DHCP. So it has obtained 10.3. So that is all. So if we verify, you can just type show IP DHCP binding. So if we type show IP DHCP binding, you can be able to see the 2 IP address has been listed automatically. It doesn't have the expiration, the lease expiration, but the 2 IP address has been listed with the MAC address. So that's how you can be able to check the list IP address, and also that's how to configure DHCP server. So on the next lesson, we are going to see how you can configure SSH using the same topology. Thank you so much and have a good day.